Makamtan lang ang kalayaan, bayan namin minumutya. Kami handang magpakasakit. Ang buhay ay nakalaan, dahil sa'yo aking bayan. Perlas ka ng silangan, may likas kang kayamanan, dahil ito'y sinakop ka ng mga
hanap ko'y ligaya't kaunting tahimik, sa luwag at sagana ay sabik. Pagod na ako sa daang matinik, pagod na ako sa kahibig.
Under the present regime, dictatorial regime of Mr. Marcos, press freedom can never be compatible with a dictatorship. Press freedom can only come about if, first, people will assert their rights, and secondly, there is a democratic form of government.
Lina ay isang magandang dalaga, panggabi sa isang pabrika ng tela. Sumapit sa unyon, sumama sa welka, biglang nagkagulo. Nawala si Lina nang muling makita'y hubad at patay na.
I think the Filipinos were too kind, you know. There was just, I think we were too lax on them. They should have been killed, as far as I'm concerned. My answer to that question about Imelda and Marcos before was always no tears for them, absolutely no tears. I think they should have been killed, and as far as killing them is concerned, I would volunteer to be in the firing squad. I would want to be in the firing squad. And as a matter of fact, I would, I don't know how to fire a gun, but for them, I think I will train.
Nang minsan nakita ka, nagkakape sa kantina. Ang gatas muna ang iyong tinimpla. Ako'y nagtaka, tinanong ka, bakit ka ganyan magtimpla? Ay sabi mo, iba ang lasa, kung kape o gatas ang inuna. Nang minsan nakita ka nakaupo sa bangketa, sa lumang polyeto nagsusulat ka. Ako'y nagtaka, tinanong ka, bakit wala bang blankong pahina? Ay sabi mo, magsaya bago mawala ang ideya. Sinulat ko na.
Ginto't bulaklak, pag-ibig ang sa kanyang palad, nag-alay ng ganda't dilag, at sa kanyang yumi at ganda, dayuhan ay nahalina. Bayan ko, binihag ka, nasadlak sa dusa. Ibon magmaylayang lumipad, kulungin mo at pumipiglas. Bayan pa kayang sakdal dilag, ang di magnasang makaalpas. Pilipinas kong minumutya.
Shiva, Shiva, open your eyes. The apes defile the ivory temple. The peacocks chant dark blasphemies. But I take your body for mine to trample. I laugh where once I bent the knees. Yea, I take your mouth for mine to crumple. Drunk with the wisdom of your flesh. close my eyes. The apes have ravished the inner temple. The peacocks rend the sacred veil, and Undamana feast their fill. But child is drowsily in your ample arms. With each brief bliss that dies, my own deep sepulchre I seal.
That's Nick Joaquin also. Very sensible.
It's a fantastic poem.
Darling.
Bayan naming minamahal, bayan naming Pilipinas, ang buhay ay puhunanin, makamtan lang ang kalayaan. Bayan naming minumutya, kami handang magpakasakit. Ang buhay ay nakalaan, dahil sa'yo aking bayan. Perlas ka ng silangan, may likas kang kayamanan.